Have you ever wondered why 98% of faceless YouTube channels don't succeed? If you're contemplating starting a faceless channel or struggling with one, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to break down the reasons why most faceless YouTube channels fail and show you how you can be part of the successful 2%. Stay tuned to learn how to avoid common pitfalls and achieve real success. Let me share a bit about my journey. I began creating faceless YouTube channels in 2018. Over the years, I've launched more than 25 channels. Some have flopped, but others have thrived. In fact, 3 of my channels have earned over $120,000. Today, I want to share the lessons I've learned from my experiences. This way, you won't make the same mistakes I did. So, what exactly is a faceless YouTube channel? It's a channel where you don't show your face on camera. It sounds simple, but there's more to it than just hiding behind the camera. Many people think that faceless channels are a quick and easy way to get rich. Unfortunately, that's not how it works. Success requires a lot of effort, strategy, and time. A common misconception is that hiring others to handle everything, like scripts, voiceovers, video editing, and thumbnails, will automatically lead to making $8,000 a month. While it is possible to make that kind of money, it doesn't happen overnight. If you think you can just post a few videos and see instant success, you might be in for a surprise. Building a successful faceless channel takes as much work as running a channel where you appear on camera. You have 2 main options: either do everything yourself or spend money outsourcing. But simply hiring freelancers without a clear strategy won't guarantee success. Quality and a well-thought-out plan are essential. In my experience, it took me around 15 videos and an investment of about $700 before I saw any income. Even after that, it took an additional 7 months to start making a profit. So don't expect instant results. Building a profitable channel involves time, effort, and financial investment. Another major reason faceless channels fail is a lack of understanding about how YouTube monetization works. To start earning from your channel, you need to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours or 10 million views on YouTube Shorts. Outsourcing content creation can be very expensive, usually around $900 to $1,400 for just 10 videos. Since it often takes 20 to 40 videos to start seeing returns, you might end up spending between $2,500 and $6,000 before making any money. Here's a better approach. Start by doing everything yourself. This will help you understand the ins and outs of YouTube's algorithm, which is crucial for success. Handling video creation on your own allows you to learn about video ideas, writing engaging scripts, designing eye-catching thumbnails, and analyzing YouTube's metrics. YouTube Analytics is a powerful tool that provides insights into how your channel is performing. You can see who is watching your videos, which titles attract the most views, and which thumbnails have the highest click-through rates. Understanding these metrics helps you improve your content and grow your channel effectively. Once you have a solid understanding of how YouTube works, you can begin outsourcing tasks, hire experts for specific jobs, a scriptwriter for creating engaging scripts, a voiceover artist for professional narration, a video editor for polished visuals, and a graphic designer for appealing thumbnails. Quality videos typically cost between $80 and $130 each, but they are essential for attracting and retaining viewers. If you want to save time and money, consider using AI tools like InVideo AI. These tools can help automate the video creation process by generating scripts, voiceovers, and editing automatically. You can customize the scripts and visuals according to your preferences. This approach allows you to gradually automate your channel while maintaining control over the content. It's crucial to manage your costs effectively. Your goal is to make money, so avoid spending excessively without seeing returns. Focus on gradually automating your channel and keeping your expenses under control to ensure profitability. One of the biggest reasons faceless channels fail is not exploring different ways to make money. Many creators rely solely on AdSense and give up when they don't see immediate profits. To succeed, you need to explore other revenue streams, such as affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services in your videos and earning a commission when viewers make purchases through your affiliate links. For example, if you review a $500 tech gadget and earn a 20% commission, you could make $100 from a single sale. To find affiliate deals, you can explore affiliate networks like ClickBank, CJ Affiliate, or Share A Sale. Additionally, visit the websites of products or services you like and look for their affiliate programs. Sign up for these programs, get your unique links, and include them in your video descriptions to start earning commissions. It's important to set realistic expectations. Faceless channels are not a get-rich-quick scheme. Understanding alternative ways to earn money, like affiliate marketing, is crucial for long-term success. By following these strategies, you'll increase your chances of succeeding in the competitive world of YouTube. YouTube. Creating content that engages your audience is key. Research trending topics and find out what your viewers are interested in. Experiment with different video formats and styles to discover what resonates best with your audience. Building a strong brand is essential for standing out on YouTube. Consistent branding, including a unique logo, color scheme, and overall visual style, helps make your channel memorable and recognizable. A strong brand identity builds trust with your audience and makes your channel more appealing. Engaging with your audience through comments and community posts is crucial. Responding to feedback and interacting with viewers helps increase engagement and fosters a sense of community around your channel. The more you connect with your audience, the more likely they are to keep watching and supporting your content. Utilize YouTube analytics to monitor your channel's performance. Pay attention to metrics like watch time, audience retention, and click-through rates. This data provides valuable insights into how your videos are performing and helps you make informed decisions about your content strategy. YouTube frequently updates its algorithms and policies. Staying informed about these changes helps you adapt your strategies and remain competitive. Keeping up with YouTube's latest developments ensures you're always using best practices. Don't be afraid to try new content ideas and formats. Diversify your videos to appeal to different viewers and keep your current audience interested. Experimenting with various styles and topics helps you find what resonates best with your audience and keeps your content fresh. Invest in learning and development to enhance your skills. Consider taking courses or attending workshops on video production, digital marketing, and content creation. Continuous learning helps you stay updated with the latest trends and techniques, making your content more effective. Collaborating with other creators or influencers in your niche can be highly beneficial. Partnerships help you reach new audiences and build valuable connections. Collaborations provide opportunities for cross-promotion and sharing expertise, which can boost your channel's growth. Success on YouTube takes time, effort, and persistence. Keep refining your strategies, learning from your experiences, and adapting to changes in the platform. Patience and persistence are key to achieving long-term success. Ensure that your content provides real value to your viewers. Focus on solving problems, entertaining, or educating your audience. Valuable content increases viewer satisfaction and encourages them to subscribe and stay engaged. Use social media to promote your videos. Share your content on platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook to reach a broader audience and drive more traffic to your channel. Social media amplifies your content and helps attract new viewers. Keep an eye on your competition to see what successful channels in your niche are doing. Learn from their strategies, but avoid copying them. Find your unique angle and offer something different to stand out from the crowd. Create a content calendar to plan your video topics and posting schedule in advance. A content calendar helps you stay organized and ensures consistent uploads. Consistent content is crucial for building and maintaining an audience. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags for search. Effective optimization helps your videos get discovered by viewers interested in your content. Use relevant keywords and compelling titles to attract more viewers. Keep experimenting and innovating with your content. YouTube is a dynamic platform, and what works today might not work tomorrow. Stay flexible and open to trying new approaches to keep your channel fresh and engaging. Understanding YouTube's algorithm is crucial for success. The algorithm determines which videos get recommended to viewers based on their watch history and engagement. Create content that encourages viewers to watch more of your videos and engage with your channel. Pay attention to viewer feedback to improve your content. Read comments and watch viewer reactions to understand what they like and dislike. Use this feedback to make adjustments and enhance the quality of your videos. Participate in trends and challenges to increase your visibility. Trending topics and challenges often attract a lot of attention and can help boost your channel's reach. Be creative and add your unique twist to these trends to stand out. Consistency is key to growing your channel. Maintain a regular upload schedule to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Consistent uploads help build a loyal viewer base and improve your channel's performance over time. Investing in quality equipment can improve the production value of your videos. Good audio and video quality enhance viewer experience and make your content more appealing. Consider investing in a decent microphone, camera, and lighting setup. Connect with industry experts and other successful YouTubers for advice and insights. Networking with experienced creators can provide valuable tips and strategies for growing your channel. Attend industry events, join online communities, and participate in discussions to expand your knowledge. Consider using email marketing to stay in touch touch with your audience. Build an email list by offering valuable content or incentives, and send regular updates about your latest videos and channel news. Email marketing helps keep your audience informed and engaged. Be aware of copyright and fair use rules when creating content. Using copyrighted material without permission can lead to strikes on your channel or legal issues. Ensure that you use royalty-free or properly licensed content to avoid any problems. Develop a unique selling proposition, USP, to differentiate your channel from others. Your USP is what sets your channel apart and gives viewers a reason to choose your content over others. Identify what makes your channel unique and emphasize it in your branding and videos. Incorporate calls to action, CTAs, in your videos to encourage viewer engagement. CTAs can include asking viewers to like, comment, subscribe, or visit your website. Effective CTAs help increase interaction and grow your channel. Regularly track your channel's progress to measure your success. Set goals and monitor key performance indicators, KPIs, like subscriber growth, watch time, and revenue. Tracking progress helps you evaluate your strategies and make necessary adjustments. Adapt your content based on viewer preferences and feedback. Pay attention to which types of videos perform best and adjust your content strategy accordingly. Understanding what your audience likes helps you create more appealing and successful videos. Focus on building a community around your channel. Engage with your viewers, create a sense of belonging, and foster interactions between your audience members. A strong community supports your channel and encourages viewer loyalty. Maintaining a positive attitude is important for overcoming challenges and staying motivated. Building a successful faceless channel can be tough, but a positive mindset helps you stay focused and persevere through difficulties. Besides AdSense and affiliate marketing, explore other monetization options like sponsored content, merchandise, and crowdfunding. Diversifying your income sources helps ensure financial stability and growth for your channel. Use cross-promotion to reach a wider audience. Promote your videos on other platforms and collaborate with other creators to increase your visibility. Cross-promotion helps attract new viewers and grow your channel's reach. Study successful faceless channels to understand what works. Analyze their content, strategies, and audience engagement to gain insights and inspiration. Learning from successful channels helps you apply effective techniques to your own channel. Stay motivated by setting achievable goals and celebrating your successes. Track your progress. Reward yourself for milestones and keep pushing towards your objectives. Motivation is crucial for maintaining momentum and achieving long-term success. Prioritize content quality over quantity. High-quality videos with valuable information, engaging visuals, and clear audio attract and retain viewers. Invest time and effort into creating the best possible content for your audience. Participate in online communities related to your niche. Join forums, social media groups, and other platforms where you can share your content, network with others, and gain feedback. Engaging in these communities helps build connections and increase your channel's visibility. Regularly analyze the performance of individual videos to understand what works best. Look at metrics like watch time, engagement, and viewer demographics to determine which videos are most effective and why. Use this information to refine your content strategy. Adapt to changes in YouTube's algorithm to stay competitive. The platform's algorithm evolves, and staying updated helps you optimize your content and maintain visibility. Keep an eye on algorithm updates and adjust your strategies as needed. Balance content creation with promotion to maximize your channel's growth. While creating high-quality videos is essential, promoting your content through social media, collaborations, and other channels helps drive traffic and increase visibility. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more content. This is just the beginning of a series on faceless YouTube channels. We'll cover everything from starting and monetizing to growing multiple channels. Keep an eye out for more insights and tips. See you in the next video.